Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest trends and technologies. In today's video, we're going to take a look at Python, one of the most popular programming languages, and how it can be used for quantum programming. Before we dive into Python for quantum programming, let's quickly talk about quantum computing. Quantum computing is a new paradigm of computing that uses the principles of quantum mechanics to perform computations that classical computers can't handle. Quantum computers use qubits, which can exist in multiple states simultaneously, to perform complex calculations. Now, you might be wondering, why use Python for quantum programming? Well, Python is a popular programming language for a reason. It has a simple syntax, making it easy to learn and use, and a large community of developers who have created a wealth of libraries and tools. These same advantages make Python an attractive language for quantum programming. There are several Python libraries specifically designed for quantum computing, including Qiskit, Cirq, and PyQuil. These libraries provide a range of tools for quantum programming, including simulating quantum circuits, running quantum algorithms on real hardware, and visualizing quantum states. So, what are some of the applications of Python for quantum computing? Well, quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize a number of fields, including cryptography, drug discovery, and optimization problems. Python can be used to develop algorithms that can help solve these kinds of problems more efficiently than classical computers. However, it's worth noting that quantum computing is still in its early stages, and there are a number of challenges that need to be overcome before it can be used in production environments. For example, quantum computers are very sensitive to their environment, and even small changes in temperature or electromagnetic fields can cause errors in computations. Despite these challenges, quantum computing holds a lot of promise for solving some of the most complex problems in the world. And Python, with its simplicity and large community of developers, is a key tool in helping developers unlock the potential of this exciting new technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.